How to open, close, remove, install. Telesin battery door cover Gopro Hero 910 Black. This is the door cover for the Gopro Hero 910 from Telesin. You can charge directly from here. Don't open the door from here. You have to open the door from here. How to open it? Pull this rope. To close the door, don't start at the bottom. You see there's metal, put the top door to metal. Then press the bottom corner until it clicks. Now is the time for you to try. Good luck.